Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Current News Extra interview session. So today we'll be talking about women in tech. So we've seen how, as you know, there are some discriminations in different sectors. So we want to see how women are faring in the tech space. So joining us today is Achia Nila. Achia Nila is founder and managing director, Women in Digital. Nila, it's our pleasure to have you.
Hi, I'm fine. How are you, Lee?
I'm doing great. You're welcome to Coin News Extra. So today we'll be talking about women in tech. You are a lady in the tech sector, so you have over 7 years experience in this sector. So we want to know how women are faring and how more women can come into the space. But before we go that, we go straight to that topic. We want to have a brief about you, just briefly.
Thank you, Lee. So you already introduced me. I am Achia Nila, founder Women in Digital. Actually, last 13 years I am working in the tech industry, and 7 years I am working in for the Women in Digital. So Women in Digital is fully women-based IT social enterprise, and it's operated from Bangladesh, and we are working also in international market. And if I come back to your questions, so the people think actually women are not able to do coding, they are not able to do technical things. So we have taken this as a challenge, and we start teaching coding to women. So initially we just teach the coding, and then we have tested them if they are doing good in coding different programming languages, and then we started our own digital agency. So the thing is women in digital, our main motto is women empowerment through technology, and we are focused on five things. So we have our own tech school, it means skill development schools, where we teach the girls and women technical things. And then we have our own digital agency where women are working for international client. They are developing IT products for the international client like mobile application, games, software, health tech products. So there are so many things we are developing for the international client. And we have our women in digital e-commerce platform. Why e-commerce platform? When we are working in rural Bangladesh, in that time we face one problem: women are not good in educations and English. So how they are learn coding? So in that time, we feel we are being all women in technology, and we make them tech enabled. So we are collecting their product and sell it our online marketplace, and that is where we are making them tech enabled. So when everybody come in online and technology field, in that time we face one problem, that is cyber security issues. So then we design a project for women in cybersecurity, and here we just making so many awareness program in rural Bangladesh and also the urban Bangladesh. Actually, it's all over the Bangladesh, and we teach them how they are able to keep them safe in the cyber world. So and also some advanced training, how can they are able to keep another women secure in the cyber world. So this is
Interesting.
the way, yeah, we are working in all over the Bangladesh and also in the Nepal.
Interesting one from you, Achia. You're doing amazingly well with women in digital. So this brought us to this topic. We are looking at, you've been able to mention some things here. Women in digital is doing to encourage more women, not only encouraging them, also helping them to keep a career in the space. So what are some of the rules for women when it comes to technology? Are there some specific rules for them?
Are you talking about roles, right?
Yeah, are
What
there
type
some
of does it?
specific rules, or can women fit in all the rules? Just explain briefly.
Okay, so there is actually no rules, because we believe technology is the things anybody can learn anytime. So you don't need to be a computer engineer for working in the technical field. So if you are good in education but you are non-science background student, I believe you also are able to capable working in the tech industry if you wish to work in the tech industry, because technology have so many things, so many deep things and so many light things. So you can choose one thing what you want to learn. So you would learn that immediately within 6 months to 1 year, and after that you can start working on that field. So it can be one programming language, it can be graphics design, it can be software testing, it can be content writing. Everything depends on technology. So actually that's why we are not setting any rules. And another thing is technology depends on English. So we always encourage those who are very good in English. So we are always encouraging them because technology always depend on English. So if you are good in English, then you can learn technology very easily. So don't need to think I need to be a computer engineer or electronic engineer for learning technology. So you do one thing, you set your mindset and start learning. That will work for you.
Interesting. Not don't need to be a computer engineer before you come into the tech space. So if you are listening to us, you'll be able to understand if you have interest in the tech space. There are many ways you could come in, not only when you are an engineer. So still going on the topic, some sectors there have been some complaints and that there is this kind of marginalization and discrimination in gender. There are some gender discrimination and marginalization in the tech sector.
Uh, yes, there are so many gender discrimination in the tech industry. That's why Women in Digital has been born. The thing is actually, I am a computer engineer and I am working for different multinational companies. In that time, I have seen one common things: people thinking I am not able to doing the advanced coding things or advanced technology. So they are always dominating me. So I was decided I will develop company where all women will work for the international clients, and also they are will working in with advanced technology. Then people will see actually women are doing good in technology. So that is why we have this. I have designed Women and Digital. Only the reason there is a gender discriminations. And another thing is, see, I believe one thing: technology doesn't have any gender. So if technology doesn't have any gender, then why we discriminate? Because uh, I can learn, a male also can learn. So why this is happening in all over the world? Initially I was thinking it is only happening in Bangladesh, but when I'm going abroad like USA, like European countries, in that time I face everywhere the same problem. Every people thinking women are not able to doing technical things. So we have tried to prove that women are able to doing technical things. That's why Women in Digital, we have already passed 7 years of our company, and I have completed my 13 years in tech field. So that's proof. Yes, women are able to doing coding and technical things, and they are doing good in technical field.
Yeah, tech is not gender. It doesn't have any gender,
Yeah.
like you said. Achia, you have more than 7 years. You have more than 7 years experience in women in tech, in digital. So, like you said, and over 15 years in the tech sector. So, do you think blockchain can bring gender inclusiveness and bring in more women into tech?
See, when I have started, in that time only one or two girls come in the tech industry. But now in my company, there are 25 women engineers, those who are working for the international clients. So I have created that environment in my office. So if anybody create that environment in their office too, so women are willing to come in this industry. And of course, we need help like men like you. So when men was accepting us, women are able to do coding or technical things, then women will come in this industry. But uh, nowadays time has been changed. I have started with 5 girls. Now is I have a 55 girls teams in my team, so those all are connected to technical things always. So and they are developing the product, technical products, so that's prove actually nowadays girls also interested to come in this industry. But we need proper help, proper guidelines. So for bringing more women in technology, we are arranging so many awareness campaign in Bangladesh and also in different countries. And also we are gave training, so then they feel confident, and when they start earning they feel enough confident to stay in this career, in technical career. So time has been changed, and people also said changing their mindset, not 100% but 20 to 30% they have changed. So they are accepting us, that's why we get the client. So I think nowadays girls are coming, and day by day they will more girls we will able to bring in the technical field. And now we are working in Bangladesh and Nepal. So in future we are trying to enter the African market also. In future maybe we'll working in different countries to bringing more women in technology. So that is the way we are expanding our network. And for this reason I am connecting with you also. So we will expand in all over the world, and you guys will help me.
Thank you very much, Achia Nila, for joining us today on CoinMisers Interview Session.
Thank you, Lee. Thank you so much for inviting me. It was a great session for me, and nice to meet you with you. And thank you, your channel.
Thank you very much.